Core system libraries failing because of the Runtime Installer Module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your stability. Before we get started with Runtime Installer Module, you may want to try the diagnostic path below to ensure your system is properly synchronized. This is the Runtime Installer Module, a generic naming convention used by applications like specialized CAD suites to house the localized logic for installing mandatory runtimes during setup. If missing, the main software installer will crash at 0% or report failed to verify dependencies. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. Runtime Installer acts as a vital connection for localized setup/runtime orchestration operations, and downloading a fresh installer for the program showing the error is the only way to repair the damaged binaries found in the app folder. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Runtime Installer Module component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Don't let a small error become a total system rebuild by trying to force install Runtime Installer Module DLL into directories where it doesn't belong. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. Instead of manual troubleshooting, you may review automated diagnostic options referenced below for Runtime Installer Module. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter Runtime Installer Module critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.